this video, I'm going to show you how to get image ID in Roblox. Let's get started. First, open a browser on your computer and search for Roblox website, then log into your account. Once logged in, click the Create button above to redirect you to Roblox Creator Hub. In here, go to the Store section located above by clicking it. In the Store page, navigate to decals as this is the same as the images. Click on it. Now, you can browse here to look for that specific image that you want. For example, we'll have this image right here. Simply click on it to open the image. Now, for you to get the image ID, go over to the URL tab and then look for the numbers between the asset and the name of the game. The numbers represent the image ID, so you can now choose to copy the ID if you want. Let's move on if you want to get the image ID of the one that you created. Click on the dashboard option above. Next, go over to the creation section and then click the development items under your creations. Next, go over to decal section and then hover your cursor on the image that you have. Then click the three dots icon. In the pop-up, select the copy asset ID to copy it on your clipboard. Now that's basically how you do it.